just kind of laying out where I want to put this asphalt. I'm going to put a 1 foot ribbon in around this perimeter section. So I'm just kind of measuring out. This is where I want the exterior, the perimeter to be, right there where that orange line is. Over there, it's going to be about around 31 feet wide and about 25 foot deep. So my truck is about 21 or 22 feet, probably about 21 feet. So every time I've tried to pull my truck onto this gravel, I have to pull onto the grass a little bit or the back end of the truck sticks out. So I'm just kind of measuring out 1 foot and I've got it all staked out. It's square, it looks good. I want the grass to be the same elevation as this concrete that's going to go here and the asphalt that's going to go there. Want to be able to roll my mower right over the asphalt and the concrete and go over to that section and just so I can get the edges super crisp and clean. So I've got this all marked out where I want it. If you can see, I've got the orange paint, orange. Oh, it says yellow. So I've got this yellow paint exactly right where I want to put the ribbon. Oh man, this is scary. I'm not going to be here when they come to excavate this because I will be in Florida with my buddy old Al. Maybe I should just hand excavate this myself, for the concrete at least. So see this big rock right here? So it's only maybe like 1 or 2 inches down, and the sod was kind of growing right on top of it. So look at this piece of sod right here. If you can see, it looks okay. It's not great on the top. Then if you look down below, it's just this rocky road base pit run type layer. Looks like this, but the roots are, as you can see, they're pretty long still, even growing through that kind of junky soil that's kind of more gravelly. It's really not any kind of good soil. So this is about 18 inches wide and about 6 to 8 inches deep. So in this portion here where the pit run is, quite a bit more work because it's just straight rock, but with the pick it's not too bad. Very tiring. I've already done that side and over here. So I had planned to hire somebody to do this with a track hoe or a backhoe, just kind of dig this trench out. I couldn't get him here. He's too busy. I'm not going to be able to make it. Too busy. My concrete guy wants to come today to put the concrete down, so stuck doing it by hand, and I started scrambling last night to get this done. So he wants to come today. So I probably have about 12 to 15 more feet that I've got to dig out. And then they can come, lay their forms, and pour the cement. Could I do the cement myself? Certainly. Do I have time for it? No. So I'm just going to have them do it. Look at that big guy. He's in there. Oh, I'm out of steam. That was a real bugger to dig that. I used the pick, and then there a couple of guys actually came and helped me, but this was all hand dug from there to there. So I did this section from here over last night with a little bit of help with my wife, and then a couple of guys helped me, but I mostly just did this all by myself by hand. It's looking pretty good actually, so I'm pretty well done with that portion. So today my concrete guys will come and set up their forms. So then I've got to get somebody to come back with a track hoe, or maybe I will end up doing that tonight, I don't know. I've got to dig it down 7 inches, which I don't know if I want to do that. Dig that down and add a bunch of road base, and then I've got to get the little, you know, vibrating compactor and compact it all down, and so it's ready for asphalt. I was kind of secretly hoping that I'd be able to lay the asphalt right on the pit run, but they don't want that. They say it's better if we put road base down, and so that's what I'm going to do. But I cannot do that by hand. There's no way. I've got to use some kind of a track hoe or a skid steer or something like that. So I'm hoping that I can get some footage of my guys laying the concrete and setting the forms, but I've got to go to work, and they're likely going to come during the day when I'm at work. But for the most part, it looks pretty well ready to go. That's going to pretty well do it for this video. The next video I'll show hopefully the concrete getting installed, and then we'll move on with the asphalt. So I appreciate you guys watching these videos, and I will see you in the next one.